here from Spokane are giving the demo for Genuine Pony, the favorite demo songs here. Well, we gave out probably 3 or 4 demos, not as much as I would have liked, but the sub is slinkied, you can hear it. So that sub's gone, needs a recone. That one's still good, still plays fine. There was smoke in the port earlier, so she's definitely gone, but got another guy demoing over here. But yeah, so no more demoing for today, which happens. I mean, I was beating on it pretty hard, so I knew it was going to happen at some point. But we'll just have to recone it, go carbon or Kevlar or something like that from DC, and it'll be back to good. His mud's filled now. What do you have?
4 ZD415s on 2 B2 M1Ss, just on the subs, and then I got a B2 Quattro on my mids and highs. We got crescendo fronts and arc audio rears.
Gonna be good. Gonna be loud. This is gonna hurt.
Cruising down the street in my 6-4, jocking the beat, slapping the park to get knucklehead up there, cold shoes and boots.
just goes, and that little high note in the middle too just gets you. All right, back with another guy, and can you tell us what you have in your name?
My name is Bryce Cudmore, and I got a 1998 Subaru Legacy wagon with 6 Sundown Audio X8 V2s and a Shark Audio 4500D. Ran at just below 1 ohm. It's pushing right around 5,300 watts right now. So
I just listened to it, and it gets it for sure.
my fucking phone won't work.
Good. I think you're definitely close.
I'm
It's
trying
close.
to do a 50 on this thing. It's
That
it's
high
been
note
my
sounded
goal.
like it could get it.
Yeah. I'm shooting for it, dude. Before the Shark 4500, I had a 3500D on this thing, and it was peaking right around 34, and I think I'm peaking right around maybe 35, 36 right now. So
Dang, peaking lower than I am.
yeah, it's crazy. The box is tuned to 31, and
So it's matching the peak really well. That's on your side
Yeah.
for sure.
yeah, I'm hoping. I'm definitely hoping, bud.
I think you can do it.
Yeah, I'm definitely trying, dude. 'Cause this is amazing.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. That was great. This thing sounds amazing.
Always a pleasure, dude.
All right, getting to the end of the show, I'm gonna go catch some of the cars rolling out and show you guys some of the other cars that are here. Just didn't get to show how much I was around talking to people all the day, so got all the SPL cars, obviously.
Hey everyone, I just got home a little while ago. I'm exhausted from the day. I don't know if you can tell. I got a lot of sun today. Got up really early. I was up around 6:30 and it is now 7:45. Got home about an hour ago. yeah, I'm sorry I didn't show more of the car show. It just, like I said, I got busy kind of doing stuff. I tried to do that final walk around the end, so hopefully you guys got to see a little bit what was going on. I did just want to reach out and thank all the awesome people I met today. I'm not going to remember a lot of the names because I'm bad, but especially Jeremy Mudd and Bryce and all of those guys for just, you know, giving out demos, giving me demos, getting demos in my car. I mean, it's always nice to go out to these shows, and the community that I was a part of today is why I love doing this so much, and you guys are a huge part of it. Especially big shout to Russell and Ryan for putting on the show and coordinating it. It was a lot of fun, and even though we didn't have an official show, it was still an awesome show, and I'm really glad I went up there and got to meet everyone and talk to everyone. I know there's a couple people I'm missing, and my mind is destroyed from today. I'm exhausted. Yeah, so it was a great show. Thank you guys for creating a community that is an outstanding community. I mean, the Spokane and just Idaho area and car audio is a really, really good community. I'm sure it's at other places, but this is the one that I've experienced, and it's just, the community is awesome. Everyone's there for each other no matter what happens in the lanes or outside of it. It's really great, and you guys are a huge part of that. So, yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. A little bit more vlog style, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave a comment down below a video you'd like to see, and please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one.